Happy March, everyone. It also happens to be National Nutrition Month, so we brought, it's really your holiday, right?
It is my holiday.
Grace Derocha, registered dietitian, diabetes educator, and national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Ooh. Happy National Nutrition Month.
Thanks for having me. So we're kicking off March with my favorite month, National Nutrition Month. So if people don't know, March is a time to celebrate what the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has as a campaign to really make informed, healthy food choices, to really get into a practice of healthful nutrition and physical activity habits.
So maybe January, has passed and you kind of fell off, and you're like, now's a great time to restart those good habits.
We did Heart Month. You can maybe take some of that, bring it into here. And the theme for this year is Fuel for the Future.
Okay.
So I like that.
I like that too. And so it also happens to be National Sauce Month.
It does.
And I think, it falls in line well because sauces can add so much flavor without a lot of the bad stuff.
Yes.
Right?
So when I was thinking about this, I was like, sauce versus condiment. So I tried to stick with sauce. I don't know.
Because I think some of these would be a condiment too.
Ish.
I don't know.
Yeah.
All right.
So when we're talking about sauces, obviously, I'm going to say if you can make it homemade,
do it.
It's always the best.
Oh, absolutely. It tastes better.
It tastes better.
Better
There's
for you. You know what's in it.
Yeah.
None of that stuff you can't read. Yeah.
Right.
But there's also good sauces that are store shelves.
So adding good nutrition to your sauce is a key.
Okay.
Whether it be like a marinara sauce that has tomatoes and garlic and onion and basil and mushrooms, whatever you want to add. But just thinking about that. This is kind of a test of sauces. Like if it falls off your spoon more readily, there's probably less fat in it, a little bit less dense, versus, I'm sorry, I'm gonna mix because I have one spoon here. This is a cream-based sauce. Okay. And again, it doesn't mean-
like an Alfredo, is that what that is? Okay.
It doesn't mean it's bad for you, but just thinking about in moderation and trying not to overdo it.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit. Use a lot of that with a little of that and zhuzh up that pasta. Yeah.
This is like an avocado salsa.
Ooh, I love
sauce.
that.
You can use it on whatever you want, really. But it's fun to think of different ways you can also use these.
Absolutely. I would put salsa on almost everything. Like I love it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
On eggs.
Eggs. Yes. That was where my mind.
This is hot sauce.
Yes, and I love that too.
Again, loose, it's a vinegar base, right? So it's adding acid, which is always nice and kind of gives you a different flavor profile. The heat, also good.
Yeah, a little salty. Yeah.
Yeah.
But careful maybe with sodium sometimes with some of the stuff.
Or you can make your own.
Make your own. There you go.
I brought basil from our little herb garden. Pesto is one of my favorites. Oh. And you literally could probably add basil to all of these and amplify any sauce, and with herbs and spices to help avoid some of the salt content.
Absolutely. And a tomato sauce isn't hard to make. I mean, you can get the plain sauce and add all the other things, and stuff like that. And salsa, throw it all in a blender.
Yes, please.
Yeah, right? Absolutely. And then you're going to show us how to make, this is your favorite sauce.
This is definitely one of my favorite sauces. Okay. It is so simple. It's called 3-2-1 sauce.
Okay.
So it's 3 parts soy sauce.
Okay.
You could use a lower sodium one. If you're gluten-free, you can use tamari. You can play with that.
Okay.
An oyster sauce.
Okay.
And then sesame oil.
Ooh.
So it's an Asian-based sauce.
Yes.
We kind of did, Italian-y and Mexican flavors over here. Okay. So I wanted to bring a different flavor profile
absolutely.
to you.
So we're gonna mix all
so that happens to be 3 tablespoons.
Okay, right. So any amount you want to make, but just
3 to 1.
3 to 2 to 1.
And this is definitely a very umami flavored sauce. It's great for a stir fry. It's great for a marinade. You can adjust a little bit and add citrus to make it more of a dressing if you're making like a Asian salad. Yeah. Okay. But you can smell it. Doesn't it smell so good?
I love sesame oil. Oh my God. Oh.
So I'm telling you guys, so easy, right? Just remember 3-2-1, 3 parts soy, 2 parts oyster, 1 part sesame, to kind of amplify a variety of dishes with some Asian flavors.
And explain for those who do not know what umami means, because I just love that word so much, and it's kind of hard to define.
Yeah. So we have our taste buds.
Yeah.
Sweet, salty, bitter, sour. And umami really encompasses all of them and more, right? It is like a flavor bomb of goodness that really just makes everything, that makes everything taste better. So, umami.
And you can put a little kick in there too if you want a little spice. There you Yeah, because you can. You really could,
yeah.
do other things with this too.
So that's a nice base layer, and then you can play with it. You could add some lemon, you could add lime, orange, spice, heat, yumminess, for all the things.
Get creative for National Sauce Month and National Nutrition Month. Thank you so much, and happy National Nutrition Month, dear friends. We appreciate you.